Hi, I'm Ricky Wright. I go to Walla Walla University. This summer, I helped perform an experiment on the marine copepod Calanus pacificus. What happens when Calanus encounters a water layer with too little oxygen? Does it swim up? Does it swim down? Does it swim faster? To answer this question, we took 4 fiberglass tanks, a couple buckets, a very special pump, lots and lots of tools, and a patient analytical attitude toward problem solving.
This doesn't sit flat!
At the bottom of the tank, we pumped in light water. Then we pumped in heavier water. The heavier water had very low oxygen.
You can remove all of the oxygen from water by bubbling it with pure nitrogen.
Once we were done pumping our tanks, 2 of them were completely full of high oxygen water. The other 2 had high oxygen water in the top half and low oxygen, or hypoxic water, in the lower half. Then it was time to introduce our copepods to the tanks. But first, we had to
Turn off the lights in the incubator.
These copepods are used to swimming around in the ocean, but we don't have an ocean in the lab. We have tanks. We knew from trials before the main experiment that when you put Calanus into the top of tanks in the laboratory, they swim down. So what would happen if we made down deadly? Would they swim out of the deadly water? They swam down into the deadly water and died, and we recorded it on infrared cameras, and after the experiment we saw them dead in the bottom of the tank. But just to be absolutely sure, we took the footage recorded by our infrared cameras, subtracted the irrelevant background noise, and analyzed the copepod's swimming behavior using software called Tracker 3D. The analysis essentially told us that the copepod stopped swimming around so much in the water columns of the hypoxic tanks. Not a startling revelation given the number of copepod corpses littering the bottoms of those tanks, but it was at least comforting that the data backed up our observations.
Alright, it's recording. Action.
You can remove all the oxygen from water. Okay.